32, that's Charlie 32. If you're continuing to Phoenix, flight 3052, you're on a C47. San Francisco, flight 3462, you're on a C40. Santa Ana, California, flight 4017, you're on a C33. Seattle, Washington, flight 5250, you're on a C28. As always with connections, just double check the monitors located throughout the terminal for the most up-to-date gate and departure time information. Welcome to Denver. behalf of this flight crew and the entire Southwest family, we'd like to welcome you to the Mile High City. That's Denver, Colorado. Please remain seated with those seatbelts securely fastened until the captain has parked us at the gate and turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, we may use caution when opening overhead bins, as items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. Once again, if you are making a connection here in Denver, just double check the monitors located throughout the terminal for the most up-to-date gate and departure time information. This is the termination of this flight number and flight sequence, so double check around your seat area, seat back pocket, make sure you have all your personal belongings before you deplane, as you'll not be allowed back down to the aircraft. If you do leave anything on board, we've set up a website for you to reclaim all your lost items. If you head right on over to www.ebay.com, you can reclaim all your lost items. Real cheap. We'll sell it back to you real cheap. If you are supervising any small ones today, please keep them clear of the forward and aft service doors, as they will be open for ground servicing. On behalf of, we realize you have many choices when you choose to fly. We do thank you for not choosing Delta. Now, we hope you have an amazing day here in Denver or the surrounding areas, wherever your final destination may be today. Remember to always keep a smile on your face. Please be kind to one another. The world needs a little bit more of that right now. Always buckle up, especially in Ubers. Especially in Ubers. This is wisdom from Nathan, by the way. I'm trying to think what else. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just go out and have a great day. We look forward to seeing you again on a very future Southwest flights. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, there has been a 2-hour time change. We are now in Mountain Time. It is now 7:30 a.m. So good morning and enjoy the rest of your day. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as we turn into our gate, everybody reach up overhead. Big morning stretch. Put your hands in the air, people. You have to do what the flight attendant says. Now wave them like you just don't care. Open up all those air vents. Stretch to the left, stretch to the right. Turn off all those reading lights. Thank you so much. Y'all have a wonderful day.